Hello everyone, this is lesson number 74, HSK 4, and let's continue. Quickly repeat our word. 复印 to photocopy, to duplicate, 厨房 kitchen, 禁止 to prohibit, 戴 to wear on top, for example 戴帽子, some like hat or glasses, 理发 to cut hair, 道歉 to apologize, 出生 to be born, and 性别 gender. So the first one for today is 学期. 学 is to study, 期 is like period of time, so semester or term in a school or in a university. This semester we learned lots of new things. 这个学期我们学了很多新东西。So it's pretty easy. 这个学期 this semester 我们学了 we learned 很多 a lot of 新 new 东西 stuff. 这个学期我们学了很多新东西 or could be 新的东西 without always. Next one. Next term I'm going to take a dance class. 哇，下学期我要选修舞蹈课。舞蹈课，舞蹈 is like dance 课 classes。我要选修to elective or optional to choose on a okay 选 deliver an elective optional course 开选修课selective 下学期 next semester 我要选修 I'm going to take or elect optional right choose 舞蹈课 dance class to choose for learning right next one 打印 to print. Here's in to print, to stamp. Da it's like to beat, but here's to use your hand. You can see. Da in to print. Or in also means mark, right? Please print this report for me. 请帮我打印这份报告。请 please 帮我 help me 打印 to print 这份报告，这个份 measure word for 报告 for some news or for some paperwork could be. 请帮我打印这份报告。The printer is out of ink and needs a replacement. 打印机 so 机 like mechanism. So this one is printer, the printing machine. 打印机没墨了 more is like ink 没墨了需要更换 replacement 打印机没墨了需要更换 replacement replace. Next one 饺子 dumplings. During the spring festival our whole family make dumplings together. 春节我们全家一起包饺子。春节 it's a spring festival, Chinese New Year. 我们全家 our whole family 一起 together 包 here's 包 is like to make because dumplings inside of this white bread I don't know the meat inside of this so you need to bow it so just you also can say 做饺子 or 包饺子。春节我们全家一起包饺子。 The dumplings in this restaurant are delicious. 这家餐馆的饺子很好吃。这家 this 这个家 measure word for 餐馆 for restaurant。这家餐馆的饺子很好吃。这家餐馆的饺子很好吃。Next one, dao knife. There is a sharp knife in the kitchen. 厨房里有一把锋利的刀。So 厨房里 in the kitchen 有一把 a measure word for any object with a handy like umbrella or knife. 一把 or you can say 一个 or 一把锋利 it's sharp razor sharp 锋利的刀。厨房里有一把锋利的刀。Be careful with the knife, don't cut your hand. 小心用刀，别伤到手。小心 carefully 用刀 utilize a knife. 别伤 don't hurt your hand. 别伤到手。伤到 is you can say also 损伤 or 伤到。OK， 小心用刀，别伤到手。Next one, Paul considerably quiet. He has done considerable research on history. 他对历史颇有研究。历史颇有哇。Oh, so poets like quite, right? Quite big amount of something. Rather quite. 他对历史 so he's for on the history 颇有研究 research 颇有心得 to know some deep knowledge about something quite experienced. Okay, he has done considerable research. Okay, let's next one. This performance is quite popular. This one is okay. 这场演出颇受欢迎。So you can say also 听手 like quite 对，很熟。这场有没有 word for 演出 for performance？ 这场演出颇受欢迎。Next one, 脱 to take off. 脱 please take off your shoes before entering the house. 进屋前请脱鞋。进屋 to come into house, to enter house. 进屋前 before this. 请 please. 脱鞋 take off your shoes. 鞋 shoes. 进屋前请脱鞋。He took off his jacket and hung it on the hanger. 他脱下外套 so he 脱下 like 下to看 okay, you can say also 脱 or 脱下外套 jacket 挂 to hang 在衣架上衣架 hanger 衣架 clothes rack coat rack clothes tree called hanger 衣架上他脱下外套挂在衣架上。Next one, 包子 包子 steam stuffed bun. 包子 is very popular Chinese food. I ate a meat stuffed bun for breakfast. 早餐我吃了一个肉包子。So 早餐 on the breakfast morning meal 早餐我吃了 I ate 一个肉 meat 包子 bun. So meat stuffed bun 肉包子。早餐我吃了一个肉包子。The steamed buns in this shop taste very authentic. Authentic. 这家店的包子 so 包子 from this shop 味道 the taste 很正宗 authentic real as it should be, right? For example, authentic Sichuan cuisine. The 正宗川菜。这家店的包子味道很正宗。Wow, it's pretty hard to read. Like 宗 is like old one. 正 really exactly like old one. Okay. And last one, 零钱 small change. 零钱 change or loose change. I don't have any small change. Can I use a card? 我身上没有零钱，能刷卡吗？刷卡 to pay with a card. 喂 pouch for loose change. Loose. 我身上 I'm 身上 on the body. So you can say with me. Or I don't have. 我身上没有 don't have 零钱 small change. So I don't have any small change with me. 能 can I 刷卡 to use a card because 卡 it's a card or 刷 is like swipe. Paint, swipe, scrub. So with a card. 我身上没有零钱，能刷卡吗？ You need to prepare some small change to buy tickets. 买票需要准备一些零钱。买票 to buy a ticket 需要 you need to 准备 to prepare 一些零钱 some small change to buy ticket 一些零钱。买票需要准备一些零钱。So let's repeat what we learned today. 学期 semester or term. 打印 to print. 饺子 dumplings. 刀 knife. Pour considerably or quite pour. Tour to take off. Tour. 包子 steam stuffed bun 包子 and 零钱 small change 零钱 small change. And let's see one new idiom for today. Last time we learned this one. To solve once and for all. 一劳永逸 Today is a new one. 一落千丈 a drastic decline. Zhang is like measure of movement. Okay, some length. So this idiom describes a sharp drop audit orientation. Process of becoming worse in quality or condition. State of declining health ability orientation. Like falling 1,000 feet. One emphasizing suddenness. Quality of occurring or done quickly and unexpectedly. Law, to fall or decline. 10 thousands indicating extent. Zhang, a measure symbolizing depth. Measures, old Chinese measure system. 以落千丈. The company performance has drastically declined and needs urgent adjustment. 公司业绩已落千丈，急需调整。公司业绩 performance 业绩 is like performance, yeah, it's like business performance, sales achievement. Right, salesman 冲业绩 to strive to achieve. 英雄业绩一落千丈 has drastically declined. 急需调整 need urgent adjustment. 调整 adjustment. 急需 to need desperate, urgent need, urgency. Okay, the company's performance has drastically declined and needs urgent adjustment. 公司业绩一落千丈，急需调整。Okay. And one new tongue twister. I think in the HSK5 we will remove this part, but still, it was funny until they become repeated. 兔。Today's a new one. Fish meet sealed rain. 鱼 fish 鱼 to meet 鱼 sealed 鱼 rain sealed. Fine earth or sand carried by water. Particles between 3.9 to 62.5 microns in size. Wow. How does it scale? 鱼 fish meet sealed rain. 鱼 Okay, and see you next one.